Hey YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update on Bitcoin. BTC right now we're at $10,061. We're up 4.91%. What I'm going to do is piggyback off a video I did about 3 weeks ago when we were looking at a potential golden cross for Bitcoin here on the 3-day chart. Right now we're actually having it and it's underway, currently underway, and it's also taking place off this yellow trend line, which is a beautiful thing as well. I'm going to start getting into the candles with you as well, guys. So there's a lot going on here. We got some decreasing volume, looking for some type of a break here. So we're going to dig into it. If you like these videos, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Appreciate you all being here. I appreciate your time, and I'm going to try to make it as quick as I can. So this is Bitcoin on the 3-day chart, and we were looking at this golden cross that potentially could have happened, guys, and it's the 50-day moving average there and the 200. And what you're having is that cross of the 50 over the 200. And that's a great thing. That's called a golden cross. Now, if it's to the other side, the other way, it's called a death cross. This is a golden cross. And typically when we do get these golden crosses, we get a nice push up. Do you see right here when the 50 crossed over the 100? Right there, guys, and then this was the move up. So if we could get a nice bullish engulfing candle, say we ended up closing the 3-day exactly where we're at right now, that would be a bullish engulfing candle off this trend line with a golden cross. And then what you do is start putting indicators in with it, and you look to see if this is a good area to potentially go long on. And then obviously look for your stop losses area. You want to really look at that risk to reward. It's very important, but it's a great thing that this is playing out here, guys. So everything right now is looking good, but what we want to see is we had decreasing volume. We want a large stick of volume here to come in to confirm this, to really make a nice move, because if we do start to make a nice move, the next target area I'd look at was the top of the candles here, would off the real body would be around $10,719 where I'd be targeting if we can get a nice bounce out of here. Now what I wanted to look at was some of the indicators as well. First we're going to start with the stock RSI. You do this for us, guys, 1 second. There we go. Okay, another good thing, we're in oversold territory while we're potentially having this bullish engulfing candle off the trend line with the golden cross. We're in a nice area to have a potentially very strong run up here. So we're going to be looking at that, guys. That's a good thing there with a potential cross. Next one I wanted to show you here was our relative strength index. Our RSI is at 54. We're starting to hook up a little bit there. So right now we're in that more neutral to strong territory, and we have plenty of room to run to the upside. So you can see here on the 3-day we have been as high as 90 before, so we can really get up high on that. So that's looking good as well. Let's check out our Bollinger Bands. I always like to see this to see if we're getting overextended either direction. So right now we're trying to get a nice close above the middle band, which is in red. The middle band is going to be around 10,116. So that's going to be something that we're going to need to close up above, as well as this 20 EMA in orange right there. That's going to be an important thing to deal with as well. And let's see. Guys, let's do our MACD. So right now everything's looking pretty good. This is a nice little move we're getting here. Histogram starting to tick neutral down here at the bottom, so that's another good thing. We have not had a MACD cross. We had that death cross there, and that was right up here. Guys, you can see we had that really long wick up there. So basically the bears were jumping in, and they just weren't letting the bulls push any higher is what was happening. So now what I want to do, I want to go into the 1-day chart with you. A second here. Alright guys, so with the 1-day now, let's take a look. We're potentially getting a MACD cross. Do you see that? See what's starting to play out? Let me turn my volume down just a little bit here, guys. There you go. Okay, so we're starting to get a MACD cross here. Our histogram's ticking to the positive. That's looking good. We want some more volume to come in, though. We want it to be on very strong volume. We need to get up above that 20 EMA there. And now the 50 moving average. We're holding the 100 and we're holding the 200. We're up above right now. Let's check a few indicators on the 1-day. Let's do our stock. Okay, guys, stock, we're having that nice positive cross here. This really could be a nice little move here for Bitcoin. So we want to close up above the 20 EMA today. If we could get there, then we're going to have to battle that 50. So those are the overhead resistances that I'm really going to be paying attention to. Now to the downside, I'd look for that 100 moving average as support. Around that 8,854, right in this range is what I'd be looking for. So guys, want to bring you a quick one here, give you a quick update. Things are looking pretty good for Bitcoin right now. We want to see if we can close up above that 20 EMA. We had that golden cross on the 3-day taking place. We're just going to see if we can get a continued push to the upside now. So if you like these videos, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Appreciate y'all being here with me. And we're also trying to get up above, close up above that 0.382 there on the 1-day. Take care, my friends.